just actually launched this 2 years ago.
Okay.
This model unit, almost.
All right. And this is Rockwell.
Rockwell, yes.
And what's the name of the project?
Aruga Resort and Residences, Mactan.
Okay.
So it's the first beachfront property of Rockwell, which makes it their trophy property, of course.
Uh-huh.
And this is our showroom.
Okay.
Hello. Morning.
Morning.
Welcome to
Welcome to Rockwell.
All right.
So I'll share with you the scale model.
Okay.
To give you an idea, sir, we are right here.
Okay.
We're inside.
We're over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're facing the Pilutungan Channel, or the beachfront.
Uh-huh. And these are all
Villas.
villas? Okay.
We're also selling the villas as well.
Okay.
So that's the hotel in the middle. And this is what we're pre-selling right now,
Okay.
the residential tower.
Mm-hmm.
And then that over there is a future development.
Okay.
So it's a 5.2 hectare beachfront property, and it also features the longest beachfront in Mactan.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a 270-meter beachfront.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Which-
you got a pool or more than one pool?
Yeah, this is a residential pool that's exclusive to the residents here.
Okay. A pool up top?
Correct. We have units that they have their own pool and their own balconies or their
Oh.
own deck. Yeah.
So that's a personal pool.
Yeah.
Okay.
This like this one. This
Alright.
is a penthouse unit.
All right.
We
So
all-
are there balcony units?
All units are with balconies.
All units have
Yeah.
balconies. Okay, that's good.
And there will also be a play area for the children somewhere there, the fitness gym, of course, you know, the
Mhm.
usual amenities.
Okay.
And of course, the hotel amenities and
Mhm.
the cabanas over there.
All right.
Very, very exciting project.
What about retail, like grocery? What is near here? Where if you want groceries and services like that?
So actually, we passed right by it earlier, but Ayala is also doing a development
Uh-huh.
that has commercial space and retails and shops.
Oh, okay.
So that's actually just fronting Shangri-La.
Oh,
So
okay.
actually, besides that, few years from now, they'll
Okay.
be completed. There are stores near us as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing is very far. Just like I call Cebu City as a small big city.
Yeah.
Nothing. If you go up and you look from a higher tower, you're very close to everything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Same with Mactan, for
Okay.
sure.
All right. And what is the scheduled turnover?
So this will be expected to be turned over on the second quarter of 2024.
2024.
But for our villas, it will be earlier.
Mm-hmm.
So that will be around November 2023. These villas.
2023. Okay.
Yeah. So we're still at the pre-selling stage.
Okay.
For sure.
All right. Cool. Yeah. So that's like is that like a penthouse?
The topmost floor. We also
Unit
have
up there.
units with that's a 2-bedroom, 3 bedrooms. They still have their own personal pool.
Okay. Yeah. Interesting.
Thank you. So when we entered, you could either go to the hotel or straight to the residential.
Mm-hmm.
So there will be private entrances.
Okay.
And then for this one, we still have plans yet for this future development, but we'll see
Uh-huh.
what's in store for our unit owners right here.
Okay.
And what's great also about the construction is while they're doing the residential tower, at the same time they're working on the beach.
Mm-hmm.
So simultaneously they're doing. So our model unit here is our 1-bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
This is the smallest unit plot that we have. This is 67 square meters.
Okay, 1 bedroom, 67 square meters.
Yes, very spacious. You have a, if you notice, we have a very high ceiling height.
Yeah.
Makes everything big.
That's nice.
These are also included with the unit prices here.
Refrigerator?
complete ones for refrigerator, the oven, the cooktop, the range hood.
Oh, okay.
Everything's
Very
included.
nice. And mirrors everywhere.
Yes.
I try not to be in my own videos, but with mirrors it's impossible.
Yeah. I'm also here.
And this is induction cooking here. Okay.
Yes.
That's included, okay. And stove?
Yes.
All right.
Oven as well included.
Oven? That's unusual to have a place with an oven. And that's a nice built-in unit there. All right. Well, 67 square meters is a nice size.
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah.
So this would be your dining area, then your common or living room
Uh-huh.
right here. Of course, you have the split type air conditioning units
Yeah.
per room. This is your one bedroom. So what's great is if you notice you have the almost floor to ceiling glass windows, so
Mhm.
you can definitely enjoy the view from
Mhm.
inside.
Okay.
So the cabinets are included as well.
Cabinets, okay, are built in.
Basically, with the units here, all you have to bring in are your furnitures
Uh-huh.
and the TV. This is your toilet and bath with your shower enclosure right there.
Okay. And hot water is,
Water heater. And there's also a provision here for your washer and dryer. Actually, the washer and dryer is also included.
okay.
Yeah.
Very good. And some space for shelves up there.
If you want, you can, yeah.
Yeah.
Because this is just since it's just a model unit, this part is not included. So
Okay.
maybe you can make use more of this space
Mm-hmm.
if
Okay.
you want.
Okay. I'm gonna take a couple of these. No. Shortage. I can sell them back in
I will
America.
get some tulips right there
I can sell these back in America for a lot of money.
for some dollars.
There's a shortage. They're panic buying again.
Oh no.
All right, very good.
And we're back again to your dining
All right,
area.
and that's a balcony, right?
Yes, you can step out.
Okay.
So again, you have the floor to ceiling glass.
Do you know these are insulated in some way?
They're insulated. So you can open all the way up there. So it's your balcony is quite big enough to put, outdoor furniture.
Yeah. How many square meters? Do you know?
This is 7 to 9 square meters.
7 and 9. Yeah, nice size.
Thank you.
Very livable.
Very livable.
Livable space. Some balconies, I mean, you can barely
Step.
you step on there, and no place for a chair or table.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just,
Yes, this is where we usually had our events before.
oh, how many floors high?
20 physical floors.
20 physical floors. How many non-physical floors?
24.
And 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, very nice.
So, standing here, in the future will be Aruga.
Okay.
That's the tower. Then the model unit for our villa.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice size. And how big are they? And what's the square footage?
It's an average about 200 square meters.
Oh, okay.
But we have different types for that. We have 3 bedrooms,
Uh-huh.
2-bedroom executives
All right,
for those.
all right. And do you know what the condo fees will be yet?
Right now we're looking at 140
140?
pesos per square meter.
Okay. All right.
So this is the beach. That's Hilutungan Channel. And right behind that is Bohol.
Okay, that's along. Yeah,
Olango?
that's Olango.
Yeah. You've been there, sir?
No, I want to
Not
go.
yet? Yeah, you should.
So Aruga Resort and Residences, and that is the tower going up there, the Residences Tower. And over there is right next to the Sheraton, which is still under construction. The Sheraton also has residences and resort hotel situation over there as well coming along. So I'll show you some of the pricing and information here. They have the larger villas in the front there, and then they have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom units, penthouse unit. And here's some of the pricing. You can stop the video and check these out if you'd like. 1 bedroom units, different levels, 2 bedroom suite units and 2 bedroom units. Two additional 2 bedroom units here, and the 4 bedroom penthouse, the deck units, 3 bedroom units, and look at where the villas are there. Look around. Anyway, I'll put the contact information for the lady who showed me, and I thank her and Rockwell for inviting me out here to take a look around and do this video at all as well. I am not a real estate agent, a broker. I'm not involved in real estate. I happen to have a camera. I'm interested in properties, and I take video and I start doing it, and people ask me, show us more, and that's kind of what I do. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.